Good morning everyone, we are back at the workshop and today we are fitting the underslung tank.
Sky hooks, they really do exist.
Mel's already started work. It's got the tank. Do you want to move that phone or are you going to leave the phone there?
I was looking at a photograph.
Oh right, okay. Tim's also working on his van today.
Trying to.
So what Mel's doing is drilling through the chassis, aren't you, to create some bolt holes?
Not really, but outriggers.
Outriggers,
out
okay.
from the chassis, so I can hang sky hooks to hold the tank.
And then that's going to be mounted behind the driver's seat.
Sorry about the light.
Yeah, blinding everyone.
Oh, blinding personality.
Yeah. So these guys are both lying under the vans, which is quite hilarious to watch. And the rest of the workshop is pretty quiet at the moment. Because they're all in.
Fucking gassing.
Hey?
The rest of the workshop's gassing.
Yeah. I was just about to say, they're all in the kitchen talking. You can hear them laughing. And yes, before anyone answers, these axle stands can take the weight because we checked.
Check mine.
You didn't check yours?
Justin had his van on them.
Oh right, okay. Justin didn't die, so you'll be alright. Looks rather nice and shiny under there, doesn't it? It's a nice handy pile of earth right there.
Dirt, yeah. That's come out from the underside of the van.
Oh no.
There's only part of it as well.
This is van garden.
Van garden, yeah.
What is that for?
Could grow a little seedling in it.
Bigger roll.
21 gigawatts.
What we doing? Check it out, mate. Still. Go up higher. Doesn't work now. Oh, we can't get it either. So what we need, what I was going to do is get that in the right place and let the jack down so the weight of the van goes and cracks the nut. Oh, we go. Similar size.
I had another piece which I managed to put somewhere.
So now what we do, right, we put the ratchet on there like that. Let the jack down, then the weight of the van will go on there and crack the nut.
Oh, I see. Clever. Oh, it just moves.